Hello, everyone. Welcome to JS Tech. I am with another quick tutorial of NumPy. NumPy is a fundamental package of Python programming language. In this video, you will learn about how to install NumPy in Windows 10. Now, let's get started. Go to the bottom left corner and click on the Windows logo. Then, type Command Prompt and select Command Prompt Application from the search result. In Command Prompt, type pip3, install NumPy, and press Enter key. Then, it will start downloading and install automatically on your computer. Great! You installed NumPy on your computer. Okay. This much for today. I will see you in the next tutorial with interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.